I don't know, we're at the last of it all. Just so if you can get solid copper and strip full of solid copper, it's actually much better than wire. You can't beat the solid stuff. Alright, I'll just feed that into the furnace now. There we go, I'll just take you off there. There we go. There's 20 metres. 20 metres of half-inch copper. Love it. I'm going to weigh that shortly. Alright, so zero that in. What's it weigh? 1.3 kilo. Zero that in. Alright, here we go. Really happy with this because that's 20 metres. We'll see how much we get out of 20 metres at half-inch copper. Half-inch copper water pipe. Nearly 8, there's 8 kilo in here. If we get 9, I'll be happy. 9 kilo, I think we're going to get 9. Yep, we're going to get 9. There's 9. So we're going to get 9 copper ingots out of that if we melt it down. 9.2 kilo. There you go. So that cost me $50 in as second-hand roll. As scrap, it's probably going to be worth at $14 a kilo. You're nearly looking at probably $130 in scrap price. There you go. Alright guys, I've just come back as well. I just want to show you this. I've got all this aluminium and I've got all this for nothing, and I reckon it's about, I don't know, it looks like it's 1.2 mil thick, maybe something like that. And I reckon I could have 5 to 8 kilos. I don't know, it's a bit of, it looks more daunting. Like there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bits. I don't know, probably only 2 kilo, I don't know. But anyway, there's more for the aluminium stack. We'll melt that later. Alright, there's all my aluminium, so I've got a bit there to melt there as well. That's what we just did then. I'm going to melt this later and fill it up, so it's going to be a solid one. It's pretty big. See how big that is. It's about 100, probably 110 mil diameter, 4 inches, 4¼ inches. So I'll fill it up. See you, mate. See you on the next melt.